A little range day today. Had to get to the range. Used to be $15 an hour. Went up to $20 an hour now. I guess of a lot of people not going shooting because of the price of ammunition. And I guess they didn't stock up years ago. So I went to the range. I took the Ruger SR22. Nice little pistol. You got a first-time shooter that's just going to learn to shoot, this is a great pistol to buy. Great. But I took this out, gave it a little workout today. Shot about 300 rounds of this Federal 525 pack. This $50 box of Federal. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on a minute. I said $50? No, I mean $18.73. That's what I bought these at. But that's what we did. We went to the range. We shot some 22. Still the best way to go shooting right now. Shoot your 22. Save a little money. My mask was put on the Target man today. So we shot the mask. The mask, you know the masks? Yeah, well, he went on the Target man today. Get him off. I had him taped up there. I had to go shoot him up. There's the mask. It didn't stop the 22. I don't know what else it's going to stop, but it doesn't stop 22 long rifle. So that's what I think about the masks. So I went to the range, did some shooting, enjoyed myself. There was only one other person there shooting. They did have some ammunition, not too much though, and wiped out on the guns. A few used guns in the case. Some rifles on the rack. But I talked to the owner there, and business has been real bad. So he's hanging in there. Hopefully he stays there because that's the only target range where I am here. So that's what we did. We did a little target shooting. Enjoyed myself. The Ruger SR22, great little pistol. We shot about 300 rounds of this Federal 525 packs.